Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making a copycat recipe of Chick-fil-A's Chicken Sandwich. You will need thinly sliced chicken breast fillet, hamburger buns, dill pickle chips, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1½ cups of pickle juice, 4 cups of water, 1/3 cup of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of accent, and peanut oil for frying. In a large bowl, add the 4 cups of water, 1½ cups of pickle juice, 1/3 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, and mix well. Now add the chicken, cover, then refrigerate for 3 hours. In another bowl, combine the flour, powdered milk, and baking powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, the cayenne pepper and paprika. Add the accent and black pepper, then mix well, then set it aside until later. In another dish, mix the milk and eggs until they are well combined. After 3 hours, remove the chicken from the refrigerator, then pat them dry. Dredge the chicken into the milk mixture, then the flour mixture. Once the chicken is in the flour, firmly pat down to make sure that the flour is adhering to the chicken. Shake off the excess flour, then set it aside. Add the oil to the fryer, then heat until it reaches a temperature of 325 degrees. Fry your chicken for 8 minutes and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps make